Want to get into the world of crypto but hesitant to link your bank account to a new exchange? You're not alone. Many people are wary of providing their sensitive financial information. The good news is, linking a bank account isn't the only way to fund your Coinbase account. In fact, there are several convenient alternatives that keep your bank details private. So, how do you get started? Let's break it down. First up is the debit or credit card method. This is one of the most common and straightforward alternatives. You simply add your card as a payment method in your Coinbase settings. Once it's verified, you can use it to buy crypto directly. Keep in mind there might be higher fees compared to bank transfers, but the process is instant, which is a huge plus. Next, you can use PayPal. If you already have funds in your PayPal account, you can link it to Coinbase and use it to buy and sell cryptocurrency. This is a great option if you prefer to manage your funds through a platform you're already familiar with. The process is simple and you can even withdraw your cash to your PayPal account. Another option, and one that is especially useful if you already own crypto on another exchange or in a different wallet, is to simply transfer it over. You can send cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum from another wallet or exchange directly to your Coinbase account. This is a great way to consolidate your assets without ever needing to touch your bank. Finally, in some regions, you may have other specific payment options like instant bank transfers or wire transfers that don't require you to link your account via a third-party service like Plaid. These methods vary by country, so it's always a good idea to check Coinbase Help Center for the options available in your specific location. So whether you're looking for speed, convenience, or just want to keep your bank account details private, these alternative funding methods on Coinbase have you covered. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.